Welcome to this explainer on how AI workout generators are absolutely changing the game for gym beginners. Let's face it, walking onto a loud, clanging gym floor for the first time is incredibly intimidating, right?
You really shouldn't have to guess your weights or freeze up when you see complex, busy machines.
Looking at your options, static panagas are super rigid, and basic fitness apps lack real human-like accountability.
Human coaches are amazing, but pricey. An AI trainer like IZEM gives you elite personalization for $25.
It bridges the gap by making proactive phone calls, scanning your food, and actually remembering your weekly progress. So if a cable machine is busy, don't just stare at a PDF. Snap a photo to adapt instantly. In a real week, you'll set goals Monday, take an AI motivation call Tuesday morning, and review that night. It calculates your starting point, views food as fuel, and seamlessly adjusts your week based on real-time feedback. But to be totally honest, AI cannot physically spot your heavy barbell or diagnose a medical injury. So always start light, study the video demonstrations for form, and stop immediately if something feels wrong.
Here's your plan today. Pick one goal, set realistic days, take that first IZEM call, and just start.
Read the guide or try IZEM at youraicoach.life. Do that first setup step today. Ready to stop guessing?